Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube video channel. This is the video for patients just to be aware that sometimes if you missing a lot of teeth and you still have some good strong teeth, the dentist can give you a partial denture. And so this is a partial denture of the case from the upper teeth where the patient only have 3 teeth left. And you can see as long as these 3 teeth are strong and healthy, we can work together and create a partial denture, replace most of your missing teeth, and using those anchor teeth at the angles to retain the denture from coming down. In other words, the other way to do it, we can also do the without those metal hook right there. We can actually put implant on the left side of this patient and give the patient implant over denture. However, depend on your economic situation. Some people cannot afford the implant, then we don't have to do that. This is another case. The patient have only 2 teeth on the upper left side and 1 teeth on the right side. We still can give him a partial denture, and we didn't have to do the implant for him. We just used those anchor teeth for partial denture. Again, depend on your situation. Eventually, if those teeth go bad, then we can take them out and give this patient a full mouth denture. But then full mouth denture require a lot more material in your mouth. If you able to afford the implant, the dentist can do a few implant on each side, and he can give you an implant over denture. So it costs more, but economically, this is the least expensive kind of prosthetic for you when you're missing you miss most of your teeth and you have a few teeth left. If those few teeth left are strong and healthy, we can work together and create a partial denture for you. Hope you enjoy the video. These are 2 examples of a partial denture on the upper arch. Have a great day. Bye-bye.